Hello, my dear students. Welcome to IK Sir Chemistry classes. Here we are in lecture number 10 on IR spectroscopy applied to inorganic chemistry. In this video, we will discuss cyanocomplexes. First of all, we will see the structural features of cyanide ion. Cn minus ion, that is cyanide ion, is an ambidentate ligand. In the previous video, we have discussed about ambidentate ligand. Let us revise it. The ligand which can be coordinated to the central metal ion through its one or more of various possible donor atoms is called an ambidentate ligand, and Cn minus ion is an important ambidentate ligand. Its structure is given below. There is a triple bond between carbon and nitrogen atoms. There is negative charge on carbon atom. Each carbon atom and nitrogen atom contains an electron pair. The electron pair of carbon atom is present in weakly anti-bonding molecular orbital, while the electron pair of nitrogen atom is present in weakly bonding molecular orbital. Here there is some difference. The electron pair of carbon is present in weakly anti-bonding MO, while the electron pair of nitrogen is present in bonding MO. At the same time, the weakly anti-bonding MO is larger in size, while the weakly bonding MO is smaller in size. The carbon atom is negatively charged. Therefore, Cn minus ion has a tendency to coordinate to the central metal ion through its carbon atom preferably. When Cn minus ion is coordinated to the central metal ion through its carbon atom, the complex compound formed is called a cyanocomplex. When Cn minus ion is coordinated to the central metal ion through its carbon atom, the complex compound formed in this way is called a cyanocomplex. Let us see an example of cyanocomplex. The most common example of a cyanocomplex is ferrocyanide ion. Its formula is FeCN6 4 minus ion, and its structure is given below. Cn minus ion is coordinated to Fe2 plus ion through its carbon atom. There is 2 positive charge on Fe and 6 negative charge on 6 Cn minus ions. Therefore, overall charge on the coordination sphere is -4. Its common name is ferrocyanide ion, while the IUPAC name is hexacyanoferrate 2. Please, it may be noted that the name of a negative coordination sphere ends with the suffix 8, and the oxidation number of the CMI is written just after the name of coordination sphere within small brackets in Roman numerals. Bond order in Cn minus ion is given by number of electrons in bonding MOs minus number of electrons in anti-bonding MOs divided by 2, and it is equal to 6 minus 0 by 2, that is 3. The bond order in Cn minus ion decreases with increase in Na. As the value of Na, that is number of electrons in the anti-bonding MO, increases, as the number of electrons in the anti-bonding MO increases, the Cn bond order decreases. As Na increases, As the number of electrons in the anti-bonding MO increases, carbon-nitrogen bond order decreases as evident from this expression. At the same time, the bond order in Cn- ion decreases with decrease in Nb. As the number of electrons in the bonding MO decreases, Cn bond order will decrease as Nb decreases. As number of electrons in bonding MOs decreases, carbon-nitrogen bond order also decreases. In the aqueous solution, free Cn- ion exhibits absorption peak at 2080 cm inverse in its IR spectrum due to the stretching of Cn bond. It is obvious that in the aqueous solution, free Cn- ion exhibits an absorption band at 2080 cm inverse in its IR spectrum, and this band is obtained due to the stretching mode of vibration of Cn bond. Free Cn- ion exhibits an absorption band in the IR spectrum at 2080 cm inverse due to a stretching of this Cn bond. In cyanocomplexes, two types of bonds are formed. The first bond is Cn-2m sigma bond. During the formation of this bond, filled weakly anti-bonding molecular orbital of Cn- ion overlaps with vacant hybrid orbital of central metal ion. The filled weakly anti-bonding MO of Cn- ion overlaps with vacant hybrid orbital of central metal ion. As a result, Cn bond order increases. Why Cn bond order increases? Because its weakly anti-bonding electron is transferred to metal atom, and accordingly the Cn stretching frequency increases. It must be noted that the formation of Cn-2m sigma bond leads to increase in Cn stretching frequency. The other type of bond is metal to Cn-pi bond. This pi bond formation involves the following type of overlapping: the filled d atomic orbital, which is called T2g set. The filled d atomic orbital of CMI overlaps with vacant pi star MO of Cn- ion. During the formation of metal to Cn-pi bond, the filled d atomic orbital of T2g set overlaps with vacant pi star MO of Cn- ion. As a result, electron density in the pi star MO of Cn- ion increases and Cn bond order decreases. Consequently, Cn stretching frequency also decreases. Please note it again that the formation of Cn-2m sigma bond increases Cn stretching frequency, while the formation of metal to Cn-pi bond decreases Cn stretching frequency. These 2 points must be remembered. As the extent of Cn-2 metal sigma bonding increases, the Cn stretching frequency increases accordingly. On the other hand, as the extent of metal to Cn-pi bonding increases, the Cn stretching frequency decreases in the same order. In general, Cn-ion is a better sigma donor but poorer pi acceptor. Cn- is a good sigma donor but not a good pi acceptor. this sigma bonding Cn minus to metal sigma bonding takes place to a greater extent, and accordingly the increase in Cn stretching frequency also takes place to a greater extent. But the formation of metal to Cn minus pi bond takes place to a smaller extent, and therefore the decrease in Cn stretching frequency takes place to a smaller extent. This sigma bonding takes place to a greater extent than this pi bonding, and accordingly the increase in Cn stretching frequency takes place to a greater extent than decrease in Cn stretching frequency, and the resultant of these two changes in Cn stretching frequency is represented here. Increase in Cn stretching frequency is greater than the decrease in Cn stretching frequency, and hence there is overall increase in Cn stretching frequency. This is why in cyano complexes the Cn stretching frequency is generally higher than that in free Cn minus ion. It must be noted that in metal carbonyls CO stretching frequency is smaller than that in free CO, but in cyano complexes the Cn stretching frequency is higher than that in free Cn minus. Let us illustrate with an example. Free Cn minus ion exhibits an absorption band in the IR spectrum at 2080 cm inverse, while a cyano complex potassium ferricyanide exhibits an absorption band in the IR spectrum at 2118 cm inverse, which is greater than that in free Cn minus ion. Factors affecting Cn stretching frequency in cyano complexes. The Cn stretching frequency in cyano complexes depends upon the extent of Cn minus to metal sigma bonding and metal to Cn minus pi bonding. As the extent of Cn minus to metal sigma bond increases, as the extent of this sigma bonding increases, the carbon nitrogen bond order increases because its weakly anti-bonding electron density is transferred to metal atom, and it leads to increase in Cn bond order. Consequently, the Cn stretching frequency increases. As the extent of Cn minus to metal sigma bonding increases, Cn stretching frequency increases accordingly. On the other hand, as the extent of metal to Cn minus ion pi bonding increases, Cn bond order decreases because the electron density is transferred from metal atom to vacant pi star MO of Cn minus ion. During the formation of this pi bond, the electron density is transferred from metal atom to vacant pi star MO of Cn minus ion, and it results in decrease in Cn bond order, and accordingly Cn stretching frequency decreases. Here the noteworthy fact is that as the extent of Cn minus to metal sigma bonding increases, Cn stretching frequency increases. On the other hand, as the extent of metal to Cn minus pi bond increases, Cn stretching frequency decreases. These 2 points must be remembered, must be kept in mind. The first factor affecting the Cn stretching frequency in cyano complexes is oxidation state of the central metal ion. As the oxidation state of the central metal ion increases, as the positive charge on central metal ion increases, the sigma accepting ability of the CMI increases. The sigma accepting ability of the CMI increases with increase in positive charge on it. As a result, the extent of Cn minus 2m sigma bonding increases because the sigma accepting ability of metal ion increases with increase in positive charge on it. And we have seen earlier that as the extent of this sigma bonding increases, Cn stretching frequency also increases. Let us illustrate with an example. Here is a complex VCn6 4 minus ion. The oxidation state of vanadium is +2 and the Cn stretching frequency is 2065 centimeter inverse. Another similar complex is given here in which the oxidation state of vanadium is +3 and the Cn stretching frequency is 2077 centimeter inverse. It is obvious that the oxidation state of CMI has increased from +2 to +3. This has increased, and on increasing the positive charge on CMI, its sigma accepting ability increases. The extent of Cn minus 2m sigma bonding increases and Cn stretching frequency also increases. This value is greater than that in complex compound with oxidation state +2. Another factor is coordination number of CMI. As the coordination number of the CMI decreases, the effective positive charge on the CMI increases. As the number of negatively charged ligands increases, as the number of negatively charged ligands, that is the coordination number of the CMI decreases, not increases. The effective positive charge on the CMI increases. Let us see an example. In these complexes, the coordination number is decreasing. The coordination number of Ag plus is 4, the coordination number of Ag plus is 3, and in this complex the coordination number of Ag plus is 2. The coordination number is 4, 3, 2. The coordination number is decreasing. As a result, the net positive charge, the effective positive charge on the CMI will increase. There is 3 negative charge, 2 negative charge, 1 minus charge. Minus charge is decreasing. As a result, the effective positive charge on the CMI will increase, and with increase in the effective positive charge on the CMI, the extent of this sigma bonding increases, and as the extent of sigma bonding increases, Cn stretching frequency also increases accordingly. Let us illustrate with an example. The coordination number of Ag plus ion is 3 and Cn stretching frequency is 2105 centimeter inverse. In another complex, the coordination number of Ag plus is 2 and the stretching frequency is 2135 centimeter inverse. The coordination number has decreased from 3 to 2. As a result, the effective positive charge on the central metal ion will increase. The extent of sigma bonding will increase, and accordingly Cn stretching frequency increases from 2105 centimeter inverse to 2135 centimeter inverse. Third factor is electronegativity of the CMI. As the electronegativity of the CMI increases, the sigma accepting ability of the CMI increases. The sigma accepting ability of CMI increases with increase in its electronegativity. As a result, the extent of Cn minus 2m sigma bonding increases because its sigma accepting ability increases with increase in electronegativity, and when the extent of this sigma bonding increases, Cn stretching frequency also increases. Let us illustrate with another example. In this complex ion, the electronegativity of nickel is 1.9 and Cn stretching frequency is 2128 centimeter inverse. In another complex of platinum, in which its electronegativity is 2.2 and Cn stretching frequency is 2150 centimeter inverse. The electronegativity of CMI has increased from 1.9 to 2.2. As a result, the sigma accepting ability of platinum 2 plus will be greater than that of nickel 2 plus. And as the sigma accepting ability of metal ion increases, the extent of Cn minus 2 metal sigma bonding increases, and accordingly Cn stretching frequency increases from 2128 centimeter inverse to 2150 centimeter inverse. And the fourth factor affecting Cn stretching frequency in metal cyano complexes is number of electrons in the T2g set of orbitals. We have seen earlier that during the formation of metal to Cn minus pi bonding, the electrons present in T2g set of the CMI are involved. Therefore, as the number of electrons in the T2g set of the CMI increases, the extent of metal to Cn minus pi bonding increases, because in this pi bonding, the electrons present in T2g set of orbitals of the CMI are involved, and during the formation of this pi bond, the Cn bond order decreases because the electron density is transferred from metal atom to anti-bonding MO of Cn minus ion. MC bond order increases. There is Cn minus 2 metal sigma bond, and this pi bond is additional bond in addition to sigma bond. Therefore, it increases the bond order between metal and carbon. As the number of electrons in the T2g set of orbitals of CMI increases, the extent of pi bonding increases and Cn stretching frequency decreases accordingly due to transfer of electron from metal to anti-bonding pi MO of Cn minus ion. This pi bonding increases MC bond order because it leads to formation of pi bond which is in addition to sigma bond. The Cn stretching frequency decreases due to decrease in Cn bond order, and MC stretching frequency increases due to increase in MC bond order. It can be explained with the help of suitable example. A complex K3CrCn whole 6 has 3 electrons in T2g set of orbitals of the CMI, that is Cr triple plus, while in the complex compound K3MnCn whole 6, Mn triple plus ion contains 4 electrons in the T2g set of orbitals. The number of electrons in the T2g set has increased from 3 to 4. And as the number of electrons in the T2g set increases, Cn stretching frequency decreases from 2128 centimeter inverse to 2112 centimeter inverse, and MC stretching frequency increases from 339 centimeter inverse to 361 centimeter inverse. Let us understand it again. As the number of electrons in the T2g set of orbitals in the CMI increases, the extent of pi bonding increases. Cn bond order decreases. Why Cn bond order decreases? due to transfer of electron from the metal atom to pi star MO of Cn minus ion. But MC bond order increases due to formation of an additional bond. As a result, Cn stretching frequency decreases due to decrease in Cn bond order, and MC stretching frequency increases due to increase in MC bond order. And these facts have been explained with the help of these examples. Thank you for watching the video with patience.